Oh, look at this, guys. It's the second day of snow, and today it's deeper. As you can see, it's more than 2 inches. You can see the depth right there. So, oh, yeah, today it's become fully covered with snow, and I think it's going to be snowing for 2 more days. So, it started on 14th, today's 15th, and I think it's going to be there for 2 more days. So I don't know how many inches it's going to go. It's a lot today. We're having so much issue going on with the power outage. The power is out here for us. It snowed outside heavy, and now whole night there was no power. Actually, in the morning it was there for a little bit, and it was fine. But then now again no power for 3 hours. It's so cold in the house. I can't even show myself to you guys. I'm like so bundled up because it's so cold, and the fireplace is not going to work. So it works with the gas actually. So somebody told us that you can put the batteries in there. We didn't even know that there was a battery compartment there. So we put the battery and we're trying, and it's not working. It worked like for 5 minutes and then it went off. Maybe my batteries are old and we don't have any new batteries. I can't get out because my car is in the garage, and we won't be able to go out because my whole driveway is full of snow right now. So I won't be able to take the car back down. Even my driveway is also very inclined, so I'm very scared to take the car out. Thank God for cooking. We have like the gas is it runs on gas. So what I was able to do was use like matchstick and try to light up the gas, because otherwise that clicking, that lighter uses electricity, right? So it doesn't work. So we're finding solutions for each and everything. Like, so somebody told us the matchstick will work, so we're doing it with the matchstick, lighting up the gas and trying to cook. So now I'm like, we're just waiting because it's so cold in the house. We are all like bundled up, sitting in one spot. Let's see what happens when the electricity will come. Usually here in Texas, we have never faced this kind of outage where we have no electricity like for so many hours like this. So let's see what happens. Otherwise we'll not have any light or other things, but at least some people are having, like, even the water is not coming for them because the pipes are frozen and all. But thank God we are not having that issue. And the hot water also is coming for us a little bit, because hot water also runs on gas.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time, how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings.
I told you guys we don't have any power today. I was hoping for the power to come back, so I hadn't done the cooking, and because I needed the grinder mixer to cook. See you guys later. Only my camera battery is little bit now. I don't know if I can record anymore after that. Hoping for the electricity to come back, but like you can see, I'm just cutting. Let's see how I'm going to make in this candle. The room heater on, house heaters on, and the problem we have is like we have like this high ceiling, right? So it's such a open area, because of which like heat transfer is like, it'll get cold very fast in the house. I also told my neighbor to get the batteries too. So I'm getting all the batteries, triple A's, double A's, all the batteries, and then doing this. Guys, the mutton I was making in the dark, if I've showed you that video, where in the candlelight I was making mutton, but the mutton turned out so yummy. Look at that mutton. It's goat meat, and it turned out so yummy. We almost finished from there till there, because last night we ate this one with rice, and I usually don't make rice with on the stove, but I also made the rice So we finished that much rice from last night. So we are going to eat the same today afternoon also. That way we finish the food. And how my driveway looks. It's completely covered. So I'm scared to even take the car back because it's at such an inclination that I'm scared to even take the car. So my neighbors went out right now. So they're going to get few things. I need batteries and stuff like that for the fireplace, because if this happens till Friday, today is just Tuesday. So the savior, guys, was these lights. These lights that are my vanity light. I use this sometime. I had showed you guys in my TJ Maxx haul. I use this sometime for my videos, right? So this was what I used yesterday. Sparingly, I used this light yesterday while cooking the food, like so that I could see the food properly. So my son was like holding this, like that, so that I could look at the food. So only at that important stuff time we were like on it, because we didn't even have batteries. So there is only like the 4 batteries that are in this, and then all other batteries have got old or had not got new batteries. So I'm getting all of those so that we can use these. But these don't give heat. Like the candles are much better for heat. So we had also kept all the candles like out. We have few more candles here, and we are using like few more candles that are I have got the electricity for like 2 hours today, just 2 hours, and then it switched off again now. So hopefully, and maybe at night 9 o'clock it will come back. Now it's like 5 o'clock, but what time is it now? 5:30, I guess. But it should come back again at 9, hoping, because like yesterday it came at 9 for 30 minutes. So it might. So we charged everything and kept in the 2 hours now. And this is the light I was talking. And I also got some batteries. My neighbor got some batteries for me for this stuff to use in emergency. And as you can see, I've filled up water and kept that just in case, because that's just the tap water. Although we have like water bottles for drinking, but this was just, I kept just in case something happens. I was like, okay, because a lot of people, taps are not working for them. For us, we still have 3 taps working. Some are not working, but we still have 3 of them working. The kitchen is still, we are getting hot water in the kitchen still. So we are good for now. But we don't know what's going to happen if this continues till Friday. So that's why trying to be safe, and we kept this. And suddenly today, my lower zone heater, like my lower floor heater, just stopped. I don't know if it is overload or what, but it just stopped. So now only the upper upstairs is working, and working in the sense now it's not working, but it worked for 2 hours. So it's heated up upstairs right now. So tonight probably we'll just sleep upstairs. Hi guys, we have the fireplace on, so no power. We hopefully should get at night now, because they're leaving like 8-9 hours gap in between that they give us little power. But at least we have the fireplace working because we got the batteries. We're just sitting in front of the fireplace, trying to be warm because it's really cold. My downstairs heater is not working right now, so only the upstairs it's warmed up a little bit. I don't know how long it will be warm though. Hopefully if we get little electricity by 9, they might give it for 30 minutes or so, then it'll warm up a little more before we sleep. So right now we don't have anything to do. We're just sitting in front of the fireplace, just glad that the fireplace is working. And then we'll have another candlelight dinner tonight, and then go to bed. Morning guys, today is Wednesday, 4th day of snow today. I don't think we have ever had 4 days of snow here in Texas. And look at it, it snowed again last night. And we just got the power now around 10 o'clock. We just got the power. And it was, but much better at night, because the electricity came like for after every few hours they were giving it the whole night. So at least our heaters were kind of on and off, and it was a little warm to sleep upstairs. But look at that, it snowed so much again. All the footprints are also covered, like it's become even more thicker right now outside. I hope the temperature gets a little better because they're saying till Friday it will be like this, and the biggest problem is the power outage. So let's see what they do now, because after every 5 or 6 hours they're giving it for like 1 hour, and then they, you know, shut it off. So they're doing it like area by area and trying to control it that way. So let's see how our day goes today. And I'm getting hot water, so I'm gonna go take a quick shower. Look at this. This is so weird. I just saw, look at that footprint. What footprint can it be? Like a bird footprint? What is that? Something has walked here, because we didn't come out here at all. So seems like something has walked all over on here. So you can see some up and downs there. Maybe the footprints got covered there, but we didn't come here at all yesterday, and it was full. It had become more snow here, but you see, weird, so weird. See, these footprints are here, and then it's whatever that is has walked all over there. It's walked under the chairs, and it's walked even right there. I see the footprints continue. They continue to the side. I don't know, maybe some bird. Can it be a cat? It's weird. So this is how it looks today, guys. It's more snow, but it's like it only snowed at night. It became filled up more, and it's not melting because the sun is not out. The sun came out only on Monday, and after that no sun. So it's just temperatures are low, and today somehow the power situation has got a little better. We got power around 10, and it's still staying on. Like now it's like over 5 o'clock, and we still have the electricity, which is good, but I don't know when it'll go.